Today I would like to tell you all how me and Didi have been in this journey to discover Hidimbi. So there was so much research and so much of analysis that we have gone through in the we still feel there are so many aspects and layers of this character that's yet to be discovered. Obviously, since it's a work in progress, we definitely do not want to define Hidimbi yet. We are still discovering her, understanding how to look at a text, whether it's a Purana like the Mahabharata itself, and then refer to a modern text by modern writers, and then try to get the flavor of both. Keep the originality, but it's like a self-discovering process. Keep on discovering. Every time I read something, every time we discuss something with Didi, every time I talk to more people about it, like during our research, I've got so much opportunity to talk to so many people about what they feel about this character Hidimbi, how they perceive it, and that's really widened the way we think about it.
Even now what we are doing, what I am showing you, is not exactly Hidimba, because I don't know, I am also figuring out. Because we have not experienced it. Yashoda or our motherhood, like that we know. Or the Gopakanya, how they are treating Krishna, like that Goshta Leela and all of that. That's the only reference we have. But she's a different mother altogether. So to keep something in mind is a monkey, a tribal. That's what she is. She's not somebody heavy-footed. She's very light-footed. So all that. Okay. So you're walking with him. The motherhood, and also the fact that you are getting older. Maybe an experience. That's what we feel when we see our sons really grown up. Now here you are not tired, but here you are his friend now. This transition I need to see. You are an indulgent mother in the beginning. Then you are a very strict mother. When you are showing him all these, bow and arrow, etc. And there you are really alert, very alert as a mother. You are not really, you want to discipline him. Now when you are showing him magic, you are challenging him. And then finally you become friends with him. So that relief, that finally you are done. So this transition has to come. See, as much as it comes, then a little bit you can give a hint in your talking. But this is I have to build up the motherhood like this. Ye mother, single mother, tribal mother, this mother. So this is the way she is going to evolve. She is going to evolve as a mother. So if you let's see how much you actually show in the dance. What you cannot show yet, you can put it in the talk. Immediately people will get up. And that laughing is like your back. Your son is now much taller than you.
Okay.
So when you are looking, part of your body is hidden.
Yeah.
But you are actually dealing with somebody who's much taller, so your eyes are like this.
Oh God.
Okay. The moment it gets too much for you, you let me know.
Yes, no problem. Okay, thank you. Namaste.
It's been a very interesting journey till now, and I'm looking forward to now move into the choreographic process of it as my next part, and obviously the music and everything. So do log in and join us to find how I explore the other aspects of bringing this showcase piece to life. Thank you. Bye.